Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, April 24th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, it's really not afternoon. It's almost 9 o'clock at night. I have been answering customer questions and doing all kinds of stuff. And so I'm really late with this. I'm going to be working probably to 1 or 2 a.m. Today. Hey, I can remember way back when Friday night was when I took out pretty girls on dates. And hell, now I just spend all my time on weekends and Friday nights in particular staring at these stupid screens and trying to figure out these markets. That's a big come down. Anyway, uh, I may be down, but the Dow isn't. The Dow sprung back very nicely today, officially up 260 points. You can see that here. We definitely improved our positions from where we were yesterday. We were slightly negative in our open trade equity, but we closed out our positions today with positive $461. That's not the news. We had only one position that carried over, but that was worth like $13,000 or so. I will show that to you in a second. So it wasn't in our closeout trades where we made the money. We got into 11 new positions plus one holdover. 7 of those are positive, 5 are negative, and we're carrying positive over $20,000 in open trade over the weekend. So that's where the money is today. So Freaky Friday wasn't so freaky. We did pretty darn well, actually. So I'm pretty happy about that. Um, Let me show you 3 of the stocks. I'll start out with just a run-of-the-mill one here. This is Overstock.com, and we bought that today. Second hour, hung on to it. It went back and forth, did not really close near its high, but still it closed very positive. And we're holding $2,500 in Overstock.com. And then here is the fake hamburger company, Beyond Meat, BYND. We had bought this yesterday right out of the gate as soon as we could. It's closed profitably, but then really took off this morning. That kept us into the trade, so we did not exit normally, but then we get stopped out on it. But we're stopped out with pretty decent profits, $10,700 in Beyond Meat. Very nice trade indeed. And then finally, this is the big one. Was the carryover I was talking about. We're still holding this. This is W, just one letter. W stands for Wayfair, and we had bought this yesterday. Second hour, closed pretty much neutral where we got into it, but then just exploded this morning, keeping us in the trade and kept climbing and climbing there. And we are carrying, we're carrying $14,100 in Wayfair. That's a nice one. That's a really, hope it stays up there. I'm sure it will. This looks very stable. And so that was the trade that gets our open trade equity up to over $20,000 that we carry over the weekend going into Monday. Hey, listen, you guys have a great weekend. We had a fantastic week this week. I mean, we made money almost every day. Just great week. Anyway, I'll be back here on Monday as usual. Have a great one.